In this video, I'll show you how to use a money market fund on Robinhood step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. Tap the search icon at the bottom and type the name or ticker of a money market fund you want to use. From the results, select the fund to open its details page where you can view performance, yield, and other info. Now tap the Buy button. On the order screen, choose whether you want to invest by shares or by dollar amount. Enter the amount you want to invest, then tap Review to check your order details. Make sure everything looks correct, then tap Submit to place your order. Your purchase will usually process at the end of the trading day, since money market funds don't trade instantly like stocks. Once your order is completed, your money will be held in the fund and may start earning a yield based on current rates. You can track your investment anytime from your portfolio. If you want to withdraw, simply sell the fund by tapping Sell, entering the amount, and submitting the order. Keep in mind that yields can change, and processing times may vary. Using a money market fund can be a way to earn returns on cash while keeping funds relatively accessible. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.